Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome back to Game Brawlers, and today we're doing a bit of an unusual video. If you're new here, we usually do gaming and just some other random content like that, you know. But I also enjoy doing your Rubik's Cubes as well. Some of you guys may know that, maybe not, I don't know. But I just got two Rubik's Cubes. One of them is a normal size 2x2, and one of them is a chonky 2x2. And so I'm going to just do an average of 5 for each solve, and we're just going to see which one works better. Alright guys, we're just going to start with the small cube. Here we go. Not too great of a first solve, 907. There we go. 671. Oh, if I don't pick it up. Oh, sub 5, 495. $753. Oh shoot. 718. Let's see how the bigger 2x2 can perform. Or I guess how good I can perform with the 2x2. Alright, 736. Let's go, 699. That's not a +2, 698. Solve number 4. Carter, that's going in the video. Ooh, wait, is that a +2? No, it's not a +2. Okay. 992. Yes! 586. Alright guys, the results are in. The average of 5 for the small 2x2 was a 714. And the average of 5 for the big 2x2 is a 711. Which officially means this 2x2 is better than this 2x2. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you enjoyed. Let's see you in the next one.